The climate control system is operated through the central display screen. Tap the fan icon on the bottom menu bar to access the full range of settings. For manual adjustments, you can choose from presets like front, footwell, or windshield vents, and make adjustments to fan speeds. Use the Max Defrost button for quick windshield defogging. This feature optimizes airflow and temperature to clear fog and refresh the cabin quickly. For effortless comfort, rely on auto climate control. Once you set your preferred temperature, the system automatically adjusts airflow, heating, and cooling settings to maintain a consistent cabin environment, no matter the weather outside. You can further adjust fan speed for maximum comfort. To set your desired cabin temperature, use the plus and minus icons. Your BMW features dual-zone climate control, so you and your passenger can set individual preferences for ultimate comfort. You can also use the sync button to keep the driver and passenger at the same temperature. Heated seats and steering wheel are key to staying warm during colder months, while ventilated seats keep you cooler in warm months. You can choose between 3 levels of intensity for each feature, or set the features to auto-activate based on outside temperature. Choose from a low setting all the way to very high. To direct air about the cabin, locate the vent controls placed throughout the dashboard and move them in the same direction you would like air to flow. To open or close a vent, locate the airflow intensity bar and swipe towards 1 to increase airflow and towards 0 to reduce airflow.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?